Turn my headphones up a little bit. I was always counting out. I was never. I was always counting out.
I ain't mean to be that first Rice Gang. Make sure you like and subscribe for me at Daily T. Yes, sir. What's good, so Rice Gang? We here. And I'm back. You already know what it is, fool. You know what it is and what it ain't. Stop playing. I'm sorry if, throughout the video, my accent probably kicked back in because I just came back from home. Like I said, I'm from Richmond, Virginia, the DMV area. So, yeah, my lingo picked back up a little bit, but we ain't gonna let that affect us. But today, I'm here with you. You see the title, How to Make Jamaican Oxtails Soup / a meal. You feel me? So look, I got the don't mind that. I just ate this morning. You know you gotta eat. You feel me? In the morning to start your breakfast off. But see, I got the oxtails. I got it from Giant Eagle. This video is not sponsored by Giant Eagle. This is where I got the oxtails from. I got beef. I'm staying away from pork. I don't pork is unhealthy for the human body. But also red meat is as well. But beef is the way to go. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Jamaican oxtail soup or a meal, but something different. It's not gonna be spicy because I don't really like spicy foods, but I'm gonna mix it in a little bit. So look, not with just only oxtails. Throughout, oxtails takes a little while. Takes roughly around 6 hours, but first you get your meat, then you get your potatoes. I recommend red potato. I like red potatoes over the regular potatoes. But I'm not gonna put those in until 3 hours in, 3 or 2 hours in, because it's pretty much gonna slow cook. And I don't want it all mushy, you feel me? I'm gonna have potatoes and with some rice. Uncle Ben's rice, you feel me? And we're not gonna cook this until the last. It's gonna be the last thing that we fix. So yeah, I'm gonna put that back because, like I said, it takes 6 hours to cook oxtails. Now, first thing you wanna do, make sure your pot is clean and everything is all clean. I literally cleaned it today, that's why, you feel me? You got some smokes in there with a paper towel, but I'm gonna put it on high. Make sure you put it on high, you feel me? You don't need no grease or anything. You can use Pam if you want. It's a crock pot, so it's pretty much gonna, you feel me, cook itself. And oxtails makes its own juice, so you don't need no water, no nothing up in there. You feel me? There we go. I took these out. Shouldn't be frozen anymore. I got 2 packs. But this is what you want to do. Just go ahead. Look, it's kind of still frozen, but it's cool because it's gonna sit for a couple hours. Get your oxtail. Go ahead and just dump it in there. I'm telling you, just go ahead and dump it in the crock pot. Like I said, you don't need no juice or anything, no water, no grease, because oxtails makes its own juice. Now for the seasoning. The seasoning, I'm using this broth-based seasoning. It's so amazing. You can go up here, but hey. All right, so look, I popped the top because I had to take the little plastic off. So what you want to do, let me switch hands real quick. Need the right hand, I'm better seasoned with the right. So you go ahead and sprinkle that thing right on there gently, you feel me? It's okay you get it up there because you don't want to put a lot, like I said, because oxtail makes its own juice. I think I poured too much right there. That means I ain't gonna pour a lot. Oxtail makes its own juice, so it's gonna soak right up in there. With that little thing, with the little seasoning around it, I think it should work. You feel me? So I put that in there first. Onion powder, and garlic salt, just for a little spice. Put slap your mama in there. Grab all these. Over there. All right. Now watch this. I'm telling you, this is how it works. Watch this. Boom. Bet. Now it's all open. I'm gonna switch my hands again. Garlic salt, you don't want to put a lot. Like I said, it makes its own juice. That's enough. You gotta realize that it's gonna be soaking, so you don't want it too salty while the juice is in there. All right, now we're gonna top it off with Slap Your Mama. That's enough. That's enough seasoning right there. All right, so I didn't put any salt and pepper in there. Reason why, because the garlic salt and the onion powder pretty much gonna cover that. You don't really want a lot of salt in there. Like I said, it's gonna be real salty if you put all those ingredients in there. But the crock pot is warming up. So now we're just gonna, you feel me? Spread this around. My hands are clean, I'll wash my hands. Get that. Spread this around. The top. The juice gonna come out the top. Mwah! Alright, so now we just let that sit for a while. You want to let it sit for 6 hours. I'm about to set a timer for 6 hours. And then 6 hours is the final call. 3 hours is when I'm going to flip it and move it around. So there'll be some juice up in there so I could be able to move it around so it can get the moisture. You feel me? Man, we're pretty much playing the waiting game right now. If you want good food, you gotta wait. You gotta be patient. You feel me, Swamp? So check it. It's on high. It's in there. Look. I already know this thing gonna be tasting real good. This is actually my first time fixing oxtails. But I actually watched my grandma actually fixed it. And then when she gave me a piece, I was like, this thing good. It's smackable. You feel me, Slim? So yeah, we pretty much gonna wait, and then I'm gonna come back at y'all at 3 hours so we can mix it and move it around, cause it should have some juice up in there. So yeah, Slim. So look, we're gonna check this out. I'm gonna get back with you. Yeah, and we just hit the 3 hour mark. You know, okay, looking good. Let's leave it right there. So actually, I'm not gonna fix the potatoes. I don't feel like waiting in there. So I'm actually just gonna do it with rice. But I know one thing. Oh, it's so juicy. I don't think y'all understand. Wait till y'all see the final product when I put the rice in the sauce on that. I'm telling you, it will be so amazing. You know what? I should be Chef Ramsay. Oh, if I had to tell y'all, my uncle was actually on his show. They actually came to Richmond, Virginia, and this is what he had to say.
This is my kitchen.
But for me, this is my kitchen. So if Ramsey want to come here, you know, I'm gonna spice it up for them so they can rate me. You feel me? I don't sell my place. I just make food on my own. My parents want to see it, my mom and my dad. If you want to eat, you gotta cook. You know, I'm cooking, so I gotta eat. You feel me? Hey, Slim. So yeah, wait till it's done. We're gonna let it sit for the rest of 40 minutes, and then I'm actually going to go ahead and fix the rice. I don't think I'm gonna do the video on fixing the rice, just pretty much on that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix the rice real quick. All right, so look, it's done. There's no other way to put it. It's done. It's complete. It's my fabulosa. You feel me? It's Slim. It's done. All right, it's done. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna put the rice in the bowl first, and then put the oxtails on top with a little sauce, and you feel me? Just a little bit. On a little sauce. Because I don't really like white rice by itself. You gotta have some soy sauce, something on there. You feel me? Boom. Rice in the bowl. Over here to the big fantastic bowl. Yeah. Yes, I've been waiting 6 hours for. And look, check it. I'm gonna put that right there. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Yes, you already know I'm finna grab this. Ooh. Oh my god. Ooh, the meat falling off the bone. Yep. Oh my god, the meat falling off the bone. Let me pick it, scoop it. Ooh wee. Woo! Look at that rice. Ooh. Ooh, you see the meat falling apart. Yes, look at that. The steam is coming out. Ooh, look at that meat falling off the bone. You see this? But let's go ahead and try this out. You feel me? Meat falling off the bone. Let me grab some rice. Let me, hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Mom and Dad, listen. I cook better than y'all. Alright? That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. I'm telling you, this is. Alright, I'll see y'all. I'm finna finish this thing up. Stop playing with me, bro. I'll catch y'all in the next video. More heat, more content. All of that's coming soon. Make sure you like and subscribe, share. Because some of y'all might need to know how to cook oxtails, fix oxtails. But if you ain't got the patience for 6 hours, I don't know what they tell you. Because this is good. Alright, y'all. Alright, so guys, again, we out this thing.